If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Amazon Prime account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access security settings. In your account settings, look for the login and security option. Click on it to view your security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the login and security section, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the edit button next to it. You will be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. After entering your password, select the option to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message. Make sure to review your account settings to ensure that the changes have been applied. Log out and log back in to verify that two-factor authentication is no longer active. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Amazon Prime account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.